Hi, I'm Winsol. Today, I'm going to show you a trick. It's fancy, it's close to our life, and it's easy to learn. Here's a trick. Juggling! How to juggling? It's easy, just 3 steps. First, a ball. From right to left, left to right. One and up. That's a bad example. So you must learn, can throw it and without looking at it. Like this. You need to adapt to feeling how to throw the ball, how to catch the ball, and it's very, very regular. After practice and practice, now you can move on to the second step. 2 balls, of course. Throw 1 ball when it reaches the top, throw another, like this. 1, 2. First, you don't need to catch every ball, just let it go and adjust the tempo. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. After you adapt to the tempo, you can try it continuously. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice! You might not be successfully at the first time, but as you know, practice makes perfect. Just try it. After a half of day, you can do it. Now, let's move on to the last part. 3 balls. You may notice 1 hand with 2 balls and 1 hand with only 1 ball. You need to start with this one, of course. So 1, 2, 3. Just let it go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. After practice and practice, you will adapt to the tempo. Then you can try to catch it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, catch it. Then try to do it continuously. It's the same, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you made it! Congratulations! Yay! I show you how to do with a bamboo ball. But after you learn it, you can make it in a lot of things, like a fruit. Do with 1, adapt it. 2, then 3. Yay! Socks! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The density is different, so it might not successful at the first time. Chicken! Irregular shape also works. And phones! No, just kidding. For me, juggling is not only a trick or talent. It's very helpful to our life. How come? I think our life is pretty busy. It has lots of things to do, A, B, C. And those things are just like balls. For example, I'm a student. I have to study, also I have a club, and I have a part-time job. Those of things cramming our daily life. How to dealing with it, how to time management, and juggling. That's me to learn how. Although we throw many balls at the same time, but we only focus on one singular ball. The one reaches the top, we focus on it. And it's just our life. I focus on study, I focus on club, I focus on part-time job. Though I'm dealing with lots of things at the same time, but only focus on one single thing. This is the secret, how to manage your time well. Okay, that's all for today. Hope this tutorial can help you, no matter become a juggling master or a life time management master. Last but not least, remember to subscribe Wingsong and learn more cool skill. Also, if you like this video, please share it to your friends. See you next time. Bye!